Good morning friends. Today we will see how to check the current Python version and how to run the first Python program through the command prompt and with the help of text editor also. First of all, to check I can use the Ubuntu operating system 18.04 version. So with the help of Alt Control T, I can open my command prompt and type here python version to check the current version of Python. Here we can see it show the current version of Python, that is Python 3.6.9. In order to run first program in the Python, we have to open the any text editor. Like here we can open the text editor, take a new file new, and to display the message we can use print function, then welcome to Python message, welcome to Python. Now save the file with the help of .py extension at desktop file and demo file name. We have to specify the file name as a demo, then demo.py. Save. Now it's time to set the path on the command prompt, so we can use the cd command to set the path. Cd desktop. Then to run the Python program we can use Python, then file name and .py extension, that is Python, then demo.py. Here we can see that welcome to Python message is displayed with the help of printf function, which is specified in our first notepad text editor file, which name is demo.py. In this way it is possible to check the current version of Python and to run the first program in the Python with the help of command prompt, which is composed in the text editor. Thank you very much.